welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be repairing this rare Audi Q7 we bought from the auction, replacing the two doors, fixing the quarter panel, oil change, new tires for these wheels, and we started by taking off the fender flares and the underskirt. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers, so you guys can help me out and reach that goal. That would be nice. And let's get straight to this video. Now we started by pulling the corner panel a tad bit and hitting it from the inside to make sure that we can have a good starting point, and then later on we'll weld on a piece and pull out the dent on the line. After that, we went on Facebook Marketplace and we found ourselves some Michelin tires on Facebook, and we went to go pick it up in downtown Brooklyn, Manhattan area, and we also test drove the car a little more. And yeah, the suspension was pretty good. I drove like a champ. Now once we got back, we started to right away and grind down the quarter panel, and after that I made this piece out of some flat bar, and we decided to weld this on with our brand new welding machine. This matched perfectly the dent that's in the car. We tacked it in place, and then we welded it in completely shut.
You don't want the welding mask?
After it was welded on, it was time to pull it, and it came out perfectly. All we had to do after that was put tension on the dent by me holding it and he tapping out the dent from the outside, massaging the dent and getting it straight. Then after that, we decided to cut it off and start doing the body work on this car. Now this is a very time-consuming process. It does take a while to get done, but when done right, it comes out real nice. After that, we decided to replace the two doors, and we got one door off our parts card. Like that, we can finish doing the bodywork on the quarter panel, and then from there, we can replace the two doors. a quick break off body work. Like that, we could take this car to the tire shop, and that they can replace the tires that's on this car with the tires that we bought from Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, suspension looks pretty good in this car. This car has air suspension, which is pretty rare on these Q7s. It's aftermarket, oh not aftermarket, original wheels look really nice, 21s from the factory with fender flares. We added the brand new Michelin tires from Facebook Marketplace that we have found and put it on the car. So we got the car here, we changed the rear door, but we found two doors that we think is the same color from the junkyard, all the way from Queens. And we're gonna see if there's the same color, and we're gonna swap them in, replacing the two doors. Okay. So we just took out the door that was damaged. Car is exposed. Took it out from here, like a Jeep door, and one of the hinge bolts. So two bolts. What happened?
You have to take the switch put over there. Then you put a slate.
That's a completely different color. Oh no. The fender, right?
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, we removed the door panel, and that we can prepare the door for paint, and also we need to switch the whole wire harness on this thing because it's different from the car that we have, because this door was off a base model. Booyah! Now, after taking apart everything off the car, we decided to do an oil change because we don't want to destroy our motor. Not a bad process. Draining the oil wasn't too bad. Then we have to remove the oil filter that's back here, and yeah, we bought all the stuff from the dealer itself, the oil filter and the 9 to 10 quarts of oil that this V8 takes. So yeah. But you go on top of the thing. Ah. Look at that.
They never change the feature. Good.
It's pretty bad.
Huh?
It needs more of the juice on it.
No, you're not gonna move.
Isn't that the same thing?
Oh, oh.
What kind of flash is that, man?
Oil ring.
Oh, some high performance. Then you went engine on. Good one. Did you monkey?
Now once we were done with the oil change, we realized how much oil was around the engine bay, and we decided to take the cover off and stand the car off to get cleaned underneath at a car wash. We could have done this ourselves, but we didn't know how to have a lift, so we just decided to bring it here. Either way, that's gonna be rough in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of progress on this car, but the next video we should hopefully be completely done. And let me know all your thoughts and comments down below. See you in the